Introducing the 2014 Holden Commodore SSV Red Line Edition. The Commodore is a rear-wheel drive 4-door sedan with 5 seats, powered by a 6-litre naturally aspirated V8 engine that has 260 kilowatts of power and 517 Newton-meters of torque via a 6-speed sports automatic transmission. Holden claims the Commodore uses 11.8-litre per 100 kilometers of unleaded petrol in the combined city and highway cycle while putting out 282 grams of CO2. It has a 71-litre fuel tank, meaning it should be able to travel 602 kilometers per full tank. The Commodore has received a 5-star rating from ANCAP. Some of the convenience and safety features are: auto climate control with dual temp zones, 19-inch alloy wheels, body kit, chrome exterior door handles, chrome exhaust tips, cross traffic recognition, daytime running lights LED, digital video disc player, forward collision warning, front footwell lights, fog lights front, head-up display, keyless entry and drive, leather accented upholstery, lane change warning, lane departure warning, leather gear knob, leather steering wheel, performance brake package, rear center armrest, radio CD with 9 speakers, rear spoiler, satellite navigation, sport seats, start-stop button, performance suspension. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found our video informative. We offer same-day finance approval and extended warranty options. We also offer contactless purchasing. We provide Australia-wide delivery too. If you have any inquiry, please do give us a call, and one of our representatives will be able to answer any of your queries. We look forward to hear from you soon.